Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you products from IKEA, a mini IKEA haul. These are plates. These products are for my daughter. These plates are for 99 rupees. Plastic, very sturdy and very nice, colorful pastel color plates. And these are spoons, forks, knives. This is also for 99 rupees, and these bowls also for 99 rupees. Plastic one, very sturdy. And these cups, tumblers, cups for 99 rupees. So these plates, bowls, cups, knife, fork, spoons are for 99 rupees, and this gloves is for me. This is for 173 rupees. I brought this all from online, IKEA online. That's all. Thank you. Bye bye.